Hi guys, hope you're well. I'm just going to do a video for people who are struggling how to apply your contracts, your bonus contracts with Tagmarkets. Okay, so basically you've done all the forms and you've signed up, you've done your KYC, and you've applied for your bonuses. Okay, right, so what you need to do, if you scroll down to, let's have a look. Oh, in fact, just double check your bonuses there. Go to your dashboard, okay, and then on your dashboard you'll see your bonuses added to your account, okay. Once you've done that, you'll notice you put $150 in here, okay. You'll notice the $100 taken out of your wallet, and it'll leave you $50, okay, alright. So what you need to do with the $50, you need to add that to the Sonic bonuses, okay, so you can get times 24 of your $50, so it's turned into $1,200, hey? So, you need to scroll down here on the left hand side where the navigation bar is, okay, and you need to, I'll move that down, here we are, click on Copy X, and you bring to this page here, it automatically goes to the browse, okay. If you don't see this, you've probably got your firewall on, okay, or antivirus. You need to turn it off for about 10 minutes, yeah, and then once you've done the application, turn it back on, yeah, okay, just let me know. Right, so you need to do a contract. So here we go. There's a big button there, okay. You go to details, click on details, and you need to connect. You need to connect your Tagmarkets to the contract, the Sonic contract. So, there's a big button there, okay, saying connect, which is on the PDF file here. I will leave this in the below, so you can use it as a template, okay. So basically, let's quickly do a summary. So basically, you've done this first, haven't you? So you can get your bonuses, and then they added it to your account, okay. Right, we're here now. Okay, so we need to connect, okay, which is up here, connect. So connect, this page will pop up, you put 50 in there, because it's the amount in your wallet, okay, and then a little button there saying community token, click on that, okay, and then you put your codes in, alright, and your code will be hash 9M. Oh, that's it. Hash 9M, that's your first code. Okay. Okay, so you put your code in there, hash 9M. These button here, okay, do not click. Do not do this, okay. Skip that. Then you go to verify. Verify. Then you come to this page here. Alright, and you've got to put the code 9 capital M promo, alright, and then you agree, okay. I won't do it because I've already done it, okay, and then you submit, okay, and copy. Right, so you submit, copy, and what will happen is, turn it off. If I go to, let's sort of, here we are, this button here, hub, follow hub, okay, it's your hub, click on that, move up, and then you need to do the strategies bit here. You can see your accounts. Here's your contracts, guys, here, and they'll be added here. So your $100 taken out of your account, which is double, will be here. It showed $200, alright? Okay, every day you can reinvest it, it's up to you, or you can withdraw when you get to a certain amount. I think the minimum amount to withdraw is $10, okay? Just let you know. And this is the Sonic contract, okay? Please note the $100 one, which got your bonus, so $200, that's times by 12.5, alright? Leverage, right? And your Sonic one is the 24x, okay, just so you know, okay. And you can actually add to this by going to a deposit and add it in here, and then you can actually deposit here. It's quite easy. You can build it up slowly, okay, and it works, guys. And yeah, and that's how you do it. So any questions, any answers, please reach out to me. I don't mind doing another video. I don't mind doing this because this is my full-time job, guys. So I've got all the time in the world, okay? Meanwhile, have a great day and thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Happy days.